Let me be honest. If one more person asks me, "Are you okay?" and expects me to lie about it, I think my soul might scream louder than my mouth ever could. Because the truth is, I'm not okay. And I'm exhausted from acting like I am. They don't see it. They see the smile. They see the jokes. They see the "I've got it together" version of me. But they don't see the way I sit in silence after everyone leaves, staring at the wall like it knows something I don't. They don't see the thoughts that race so loud, yet somehow no one else hears them. And I keep thinking, when did "I'm fine" become my survival strategy? I used to be honest. If something hurt, I would say, "This hurts." If something confused me, I would say, "I don't understand." But life kept teaching me. People love the strong version of you. They just don't know what to do with your broken version. So I learned how to hide. "I'm good. I'll manage. It's nothing. I'll be alright." And slowly, I disappeared behind my own words. I became the one who holds everyone else together, while quietly falling apart in places nobody notices. And the worst part? I convinced myself this was normal. That pretending was easier than admitting I needed help. But somewhere deep inside, a quiet voice keeps whispering, "I can't keep doing this. I can't keep pretending I'm okay." Because pretending is heavy. It drains your joy. It steals your peace. It makes you feel unseen in rooms full of people. And I'm tired. Not just tired in my body. Tired in my soul. Tired of carrying silence like it's strength. Tired of acting like I'm unbreakable. Tired of pretending everything is blessed and highly favored, when some days it feels like I'm barely holding on. And in the middle of that exhaustion, another thought hits me. Does God really see this? Does He see me? Sometimes I sit quietly and think, if nobody really knows what I'm carrying, am I truly seen at all? Because people see behavior, but God sees the battle behind it. They see the smile. God sees the tear that almost fell. They see you show up. God sees the strength it took not to give up. They hear you say, "I'm fine." God hears what your heart didn't know how to say. There are moments I felt invisible, even to the people closest to me. But in the middle of that loneliness, something gentle kept nudging my heart. I see you. Not the filtered version. Not the church version. Not the "everything's great" version. The hurting one. The tired one. The one who prays and wonders if those prayers disappear into the ceiling. God sees every unspoken disappointment. Every silent cry. Every moment you forced yourself to hold it together, when you wanted to collapse. And He doesn't overlook you. He doesn't shrug and say, "You'll figure it out." He leans in. He notices. He cares. You are not just another face in the crowd. You are deeply known. And somehow, that realization doesn't always remove the pain instantly. But it reminds me, I am never unseen. There came a point when I realized something. I was carrying things that were never mine to hold. Other people's expectations. Other people's opinions. Other people's emergencies. I thought being strong meant never say no. Never break down. Never ask for help. So I stuffed everything inside. Hurt. Push it down. Fear. Push it down. Disappointment. Push it down. Until the silence inside became louder than the world around me. But God never called pretending strength. He never asked me to be my own savior. He never said, "Carry everything by yourself." Instead, he kept whispering, "Give it to me." But giving it to him means admitting I'm not okay. It means letting go of control. It means trusting that God won't drop what I place in his hands. And that's hard. Not because God is unfaithful, but because I've gotten used to surviving. Yet survival is not the same as healing. And I'm learning, slowly, that it's okay to put some things down. Not everything needs my strength. Not every burden is my assignment. Some things belong at the feet of God. Pretending comes with a cost. It drains joy. It isolates your heart. It teaches you to hide instead of heal. And the mask whispers lies. If they really knew you, they'd leave. If you open up, you'll look weak. If you ask for help, you'll be a burden. But those are lies birthed in fear. Real relationships aren't built on pretending. Real faith isn't built on acting strong. God isn't impressed by masks. He's moved by honesty. Some of the most powerful prayers sound like, "God, I don't know what I'm doing. God, I feel lost. God, I'm tired, help me." And he answers, not always with instant change, but with presence. Peace shows up where panic lived. Hope rises where fear sat. Strength returns where exhaustion lived. Not because I pretended harder, but because I finally stopped pretending at all. There are seasons that feel like night. Quiet. Lonely. Endless. Nights where thoughts echo louder than faith. Nights where tears come easier than words. Nights where you wonder, will this ever get better? Those are the moments the enemy whispers. See, God forgot you. See, no one cares. See, you're on your own. But night is not abandonment. Night is transition. The sun doesn't disappear. It just moves out of sight for a moment. And God doesn't disappear either. Even when I feel nothing. Even when my prayers feel empty. Even when the silence feels louder than God's voice. He is still there. Working. Healing. Strengthening. Holding me together when nothing else does. Night does not mean forgotten. Night means morning is forming, quietly, where you can't see it yet. Somewhere along the way, we forgot that being human is allowed. We talk about faith like it means no fear, no tears, no bad days, no doubts. But faith isn't pretending the storm isn't real. Faith is trusting God in the storm. And admitting you're scared sometimes. It's okay to cry. It's okay to feel overwhelmed. It's okay to say, I'm not okay right now. That's not failure. That's honesty. And honesty is where healing begins. God doesn't run from your mess. He draws closer in it. He doesn't love the future, improved version of you more than he loves the struggling version. He loves you, here. He loves you, now. Exactly where you are. Healing isn't instant. It's choosing, day by day, to stop pretending. To talk instead of hiding. To pray instead of numbing. To rest instead of pushing yourself to breaking. And it begins with one simple declaration. I don't have to pretend anymore. I can hand God my confusion. I can hand him my exhaustion. I can hand him the parts of me I don't understand. And trust. He knows what to do with them. Slowly the weight lightens. Slowly the fog lifts. Slowly hope breathes again. Not because everything becomes perfect, but because I realize I was never walking alone. So here I am. Not perfect. Not polished. Just honest. I'm tired of pretending I'm okay. But I'm no longer ashamed of that sentence. Because it led me to truth. God sees me. He sees the quiet wars. He sees the hidden tears. He sees the strength it took just to keep going. And He sees you too. You are not invisible. You are not forgotten. You are not too broken, too messy, or too late. God has His eyes on you. Not to judge you, but to hold you. And one day, you'll look back and realize you didn't survive because you pretended to be strong. You survived because God never let you go. And you never have to pretend to be okay. To be loved.